guys, welcome to Ashton. My name is Ashton. Today I'm going to show you all of my squishies. Okay, so first, put a thumbs up if you like pizza, okay? Put a thumbs up or comment down below pizza. Pizza squad. This is my first one, a pizza. Right there. It's a little fast rising. Yeah, it's not like slow rising. And 2018, February the 14th, I got, my dad gave me this from Target. By the way, this is from Walmart. This is from Target. That means Target. It smells like coconut. It's an ice cream cone. Slow rising. Still going, it's still going, it's still going. Got it. Put down. Okay, comment down below which one's your favorite, ice cream squad or pizza squad. Comment down below that. Okay. Go hit the subscribe button. Put a like on the video. All my videos. Go subscribe to my channel. Ashton has a bear and says Ashton on the bottom. You better go subscribe to right now, please. Please subscribe. And please go subscribe to, let me see. Shout out to Addie. She's from my school. Go subscribe to her channel. It's called Addie Friends. Go subscribe to that channel. It has a video, goes hide and seek. Go check that channel out. And please go subscribe to my channel. That's it for the vlog. Peace.